going to enter. So the first step is to first identify the daily candle. So how did the previous daily candle close? So we are going to mark our daily previous candle. Okay, guys. So that's what I'm going to show you. So we are going to mark our previous daily candle. So we mark our previous daily candle. So this is our previous daily candle. So let's use this one. So our previous daily candle. So we are going to mark. This is our previous day candle close. So this is our previous daily candle. So if you look at this candle, this is our body. Our body close like this. This is our body. So previous daily candle is this one. This is our body. So on this candle we have two zones. In fact, so the body close. So but this is its highest point. So its highest point is around there. So and its lowest point is around there. So this is the first step. So the first step is to mark our previous daily candle. So after marking our previous daily candle, so what are we going to do? We go now and start now. See where are our zones. Okay, guys. So where are our zones? So after marking our daily previous candle, so we go in the 4-hour time frame. So just go straight in the 4-hour time frame. So it's simple. This simple thing, pure strategy. Okay, guys. So if you're beginner trader struggling how to enter the market, so just follow what I'm going to do. So just simple thing, pure price action with another confluence support and resistance. So remember in our daily chart we have marked our previous candle. So our previous candle, we have marked its body and we have marked its highest point, its wick, and we have marked its lowest body and its lowest wick. So we have, so in simple terms, we have marked previous daily low and previous daily high. So that's what I'm showing you here. So after doing it, so if you look at our 4-hour time frame, you and you and we reduce this graph. Yeah? So on our left, what I want to see on our left, we are seeing that in this zone which we mark, we are seeing some sort of resistance. So there was some sort of resistance in this zone. If you look at our left, okay, guys. So there was some sort of resistance. So in this resistance, now we can see that we can change even the color to yellow, or we can change even the color to red. Okay, so so we are seeing that there was some sort of previous resistance on our left. So then there we have identified. So now here on our daily support, so the daily support is also appearing in the 4-hour time frame. Okay, guys. So this is pure strategy, simple. It's appearing in the 4-hour time frame, and if you look at it on our left, you can see that there was some sort of strong support in this structure. Okay, guys. So this is a strong support. If you can see on our left, there was sort of strong support in the structure. If you can see, so what if we change the color to this? Okay, guys. So what if we change the color to green? So we have now two zones. We have the first zone, which is now acting as a strong support zone, or it can act as a strong demand zone. Then the second zone, this is the previous daily high, is acting as a daily resistance or acting as a daily supply zone. Okay, guys. So now, if you have a look on this chart, what are you going to see now? So we are going to see that uh, now we have to look for our entries. Now remember, we are doing out of analysis from the daily time frame to the lowest time frame. So what are we going to see in the 4-hour time frame? So the market is in a bullish momentum. So we are going straight in the 1-hour time frame. Okay, guys. Remember, we have already marked our zones are appearing in all the time frames. Okay, guys. We are going to just go straight in the 1-hour time frame. So what's the 1-hour time frame showing us? So the 1-hour time frame is showing us that the market has already formed double bottom and double tops. Okay, guys. So most people, after marking out, they struggle to enter. Okay, guys. So we are going to find out now our entries. Okay, guys. So remember, this zone is still very big, but what are we going to see about this zone? Since the zone is still big, So we go straight to the lowest time frame. My lowest time frame is the 30-minute time frame. So the 30-minute time frame, so after confirmation, we are going to see that price came like this. So came like this. Came, it never broke, it formed a neckline. So when it came, so it formed a double bottom here. So a double bottom was formed within the demand zone or within the strong strong support zone. So that bottom, which is act as a confirmation for buyers. So when it came up, so there was a continuation in the market. So when the market came back, so it formed a new higher low. Okay, guys, formed a new higher low and breaking its higher high. So breaking its higher high, again forming a new higher low, then breaking its higher high. Okay, guys, so are you seeing the confirmation by coming back? So forming this. Okay, guys, so there was also another higher low. Now, since there was a higher low, if you can look at this trend, there was a slight momentum here, slight momentum. Okay, guys, if you can see it clearly here, so there was a slight momentum there. So if you can see it now, so our confirmation was around here. So what was price showing us? So price was showing us that market was forming higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. So we had to find our perfect entry. So our perfect entry was around here. After this forming a higher high and a higher low, then forming a higher high and a higher low. So our entry would be around here. So guys, so we set our TP. We would set our TP to the nearest resistance. Okay, guys. So we always, it's always advisable, set TP the nearest resistance. So this was the nearest resistance. Okay, guys. Yeah. So that was the nearest resistance. So you set and catch off your TP resistance. So as simple as that. So this strategy works perfectly for all beginners and experts. Okay, guys. So as simple as this. Okay, guys. You don't need to spend many hours on the charts finding your entries. You just have to understand one market structure. You just have to understand the how the market is moving, your entry and exits, when to come in, when to come out. Okay, guys. So you have to also journal your trades. Okay, guys. So as you can see here, the market has already come back. So I'm going to leave you with our tip. So the market is already forming. So if you can see here, the market came and broke the recent higher high, then forming a new higher low, then forming a new higher high, forming a new higher low, forming a new high. So if you can see, the market has already broke this momentum. So it's already broke this momentum. So we are seeing a shift to the downside. It's a shift to the downside. Okay, guys. So shift to the downside. So we may see again the market first coming back to test. Since here we may see some sort of pullback and okay, guys, but as simple as that. So thank you for watching my